channel. I thought I'll pick up the camera this midweek to do some casual vlogging. I do not know, there's nothing special going on, but I thought I'll just pick it up and share my days with you guys. To be honest though, I'm not in the best exact mood just because of two things. Last night I realized the Zara order that I placed is shipped and delivered to the wrong address, as in my old address in Cambridge, which is a few hours away, and it's delivered. I don't know who has it now. Zara couldn't do anything about it because it's already with the courier. So right now, I don't know if it's just, 200 pounds wasted, but it's a little bit upsetting. I did place another order of that mirror though, just because I really wanted that mirror. I've been waiting for it, or hoping for it to be back in stock, and I'm so happy I have placed an order, and hopefully I can show you guys when it arrives. Secondly though, the COVID-19 situation isn't getting any better. UK, besides, my area being in tier 4 lockdown, it just got announced that everyone flying into the UK has to be in compulsory 10 days quarantine, including Hong Kong. So just before the announcement, Hong Kong wasn't under the quarantine origin. If some of you might know what my situation is, I'm actually working or based in both Hong Kong and UK. I work in Hong Kong, and my partner Brian and my home is in the UK. That means if I were to fly back to Hong Kong, I would have to be tested within, I think, 72 hours negative before my flight, quarantine for 21 days in a specific set of hotels, and if I do fly back to the UK, I have to be tested within 72 hours or 48 hours, I don't remember the exact number, and be quarantined or self-isolated for 10 days. That is 1 whole month of my life. I don't know when I'm flying back. Sometimes just really gets into me. I really enjoy being at home and, being with the cats. And these little restrictions just kind of makes you feel like, it's not claustrophobic, but a little bit, right? I do miss home. I don't know how this situation will roll out. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long. But last night, we reorganized our understairs storage, which is super exciting. We ordered some custom storage racks, and it was quite something to put it in just because the measurements were so snug. So if I have some time, I might show you guys. But I'm not going to ramble on too much. I'll see what I get on with today and catch you guys in a bit. So it's just getting about lunchtime. I'm feeling a little bit peckish, so I think I'm going to be making myself a little bit of a ham, egg, cheese kind of toast. This is some of the ingredients that you will need. I will also be making the dressing with kiwi, mayo, and honey, and yeah, some butter. Unfortunately though, I only have some of the ends of the bread left, so eek. So let me show you guys what our storage is looking like at the moment. Marble, don't go in. So what we did was ordered these, well, I don't want to say it's custom, but we measured the space and ordered exactly what we need. We have some racks in here so that we can organize them a little bit better. Right now we have our luggages, small luggages are there, so all you need to do is pull it out. We also have a server at the back, and decided to put our printer. Oh well, Marble, please don't. Please don't. Come on, baby. Out. Come on, go. Girl. But yeah, this is our update so far. It's super sturdy. We can put a lot of stuff
in there. Obviously, hopefully not something that we always need, just because for the luggages we won't be putting it in the loft because getting in and out is super complicated, and I feel like putting the luggages into the garage would be quite cold as well. So we're putting it under the staircase. And so right now the patch panel still needs to be fixed with our electrician, but it is looking much more neat. Brian also installed this situation right here, our internet stuff. So yeah, super exciting. No one's ever going to come inside, but still, you know, great to have a very neat and tidy space.
Well, I'm in the mood to make the raw bars now. They're technically not like raw because you have to bake the granola in the oven. It is super simple and kind of in the healthier side of things. It is a recipe that I got from Song Style, which I'll link at the description below. But yeah, super simple, and here's what you need.
So you're kind of looking for like a very mushy, sticky consistency. You kind of press onto it ish like this, and then I'm just going to grab a container with parchment paper and place it in like this, and then I'm going to wrap a cling film on top and put it in the fridge for an hour. Hey guys, so it is a little bit later now. It is about 5:15. I had some like urgent design work I have to do for the Hong Kong team, but 5:15 usually means, or 4 o'clock actually, usually means the time for me to prepare dinner, because Brian comes back home at 6. Well, he finished work at 6 and he might arrive something like 6:30, and he's usually like starving. So each week I kind of write down, plan out what we're going to be having for dinner in my bullet journal. Well, it's not really bullet journal, it's like a to-do list. And tonight, we're planning to have pork belly in a Korean style lettuce, kimchi, rice kind of wrap. Pretty straightforward. You just have to make like a really good sauce, cook rice, and kind of fry up some kimchi. So I'm going to show you guys what the dish looks like. But before all of that, I think I'm just gonna cut up my raw bars so that it is nice and ready for Brian to bring it to his colleagues and obviously taste test. So I'm gonna grab a knife. That's good. I forgot how good it is. So me and Brian have been obsessed with Korean dishes for quite some time now. Before the pandemic, we were actually going to Korea, Seoul specifically, in I think like in August 2020, and that got cancelled, or April 2020, I don't remember. But ever since then, we've been discovering or trying out different Korean food. We love Korean food. Yeah, today is one of the pork belly dishes, and I'm so excited to be trying this local or made in the UK kimchi, just because again with the pandemic, lockdown and everything, all the Asian online supermarkets, they aren't shipping like cold stuff. I think like the shipping was just a little bit messed up. You can't ship frozen stuff, you can't ship cold stuff. I looked up kimchi UK and this is what popped up. I feel like I'm making like a cooking video. So for the recipe, you need 2 to 1 gochujang. Not add too much just because it can be quite salty. But basically the sauce I'm making is called samjang. They also have box ones that are already made, but I have soybean paste at home, so I'm going to make it instead. But
it's like addictive. You can mix it with rice, so many other food, and it's just so good, like the sauce. Okay, and then one portion. Be quite generous. Oops. And then you'll need some garlic. And the weird thing is you need lemonade. That's such a big bottle, but you only need like very little. So let's see. Yeah, should be okay. And then we need sugar and sesame oil. Be generous. Please don't judge my cooking skills. You do you. If you can smell it. Imagine just eating this like with like wraps, with salad. Oh, it's so good. Okay, anyway, so now I'm just going to focus, wash and cut up the lettuce. I'm going to be a little bit healthy and also boil some broccoli and fry up the kimchi and pork belly, and I'll show you guys what the finished product is looking like. I'm so hungry. So 1 more hour until dinner. And this is what our dinner is looking like. Itadakimasu. Sekfan. Itadakimasu. So I cooked the kimchi from Mr. Kimchi.
Mr. Kimchi, okay. You fried it or?
Yeah.
三張
呢一個先叫三張。
知啊。
好 salty。
It's quite salty, isn't it?